Hi, hello viewers, welcome to my channel Chai with Varu. In this video, I'd like to share with you a very easy, tasty, healthy weekday lunch quinoa salad. So let's get started. I relished eating my quinoa salad for lunch. It was very yummy. Do try this easy quinoa salad recipe and let me know how you liked it in the comment section below. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.